world record rappelling on this Kadiki waterfall. Now it is happening. We as an Indians will feel proud that we are making this world record on this Kadika waterfall. Under the guidance of Tiger Rangarao Garu, we are doing this world record rappelling. Now, being a Telugu person, we should feel proud as a Telugu person also to break and make this world record. The awesome feeling to be a part and parcel of this great world record rappelling on Kadiki waterfall. Mera Bharat Mahan!